Okay, my sweetie took me someplace else with a lot of train cars. And we're gonna ride this one right now. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
You're right. Dollywood's old-fashioned grist mill. It's one of the few operating grist mills west today. That's where every day the grist makes that world-famous Cinderella. And I'll tell you, there is nothing better. Works in Eddystone, Pennsylvania, built a narrow gauge Mikado style engine set. It weighs about 230,000 pounds and is a genuine coal-fired, steam-driven Type 282 locomotive. That 282 simply means there's 2 wheels on the front, 2 on the back, and 8 large drive wheels in the middle. After engine 70 was completed, it was shipped to Cinderella, Alaska, and worked on the bypass of the Yukon Railroad. The United States involvement in World War II. It was determined that a military highway was needed to protect Alaska. So in 1942, the United States Army discovered the Watt Pass and Yukon Railroad in Skagway, Alaska, and used it to move the material and personnel needed to build the Afghan military highway. They look up to the engine, wave their engineer. That's Julie up there today. Cinderella's been here since 1977 when it was Silver City, Tennessee, until present day Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work. Now let's all sit back and relax. It's what you know, it's never a song. Here's always a real proud of Cinderella. Sometimes we let it go off a little bit. So what do you say? Would you like to hear the engineers play a tune on that Baldwin locomotive whistle? All right, on the count of 3, let's all yell blow the whistle. 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle! think about that? How about a big round of applause for engineer Julie and Cinderella? Hey, that's Julie and Cinderella saying no problem. Now if you look off to your left, you can see parts of the Great Smoky Mountains. And you can tell why they're called that. They look like that most of the time. The Smokies were established as a national park in 1934. At the dawn of the 20th century, there was over 1,200 farms in these mountains. And each one had the main house that the family lived in. It was kind of like this one on your left. They had a wood shed, a chicken coop where they gathered their eggs, a smokehouse where they hung and cured their meat, and a spring house that kept things like the milk and the butter cool. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. They had one of those little houses back then. It was called the outhouse. And kids, if you don't know what the outhouse is used for, I'm going to let you ask your parents out. How many people are big chickens to ride the wild eagle? Oh, chickens win again. You go to the merchandise shop, they have big yellow t-shirts that says, I'm a chicken. Well, now it's time for some train music. This engine operates the same way today as it did when it first built. On a busy day, Cinderella will use 5 tons of coal, 5,000 gallons of water, and she could raise 4,000 to 5,000 people up the mountain with real validating and people in operation. We hope you enjoy riding behind those jugs as much as we do. Now come up on your left is Dollywood's newest themed area. That's why it's known as the Lebanon attraction. They can ride the Southwest inspired diamond establishment. And after dark, that big tree in the middle that lights up has fireflies and butterflies flying. Over to that
Ready?
My sweetie took me someplace with a lot of train cars. And we're gonna ride this one right now. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Here.
Whoa.
All
Right.
right. Time to work back any folks on